Hello and welcome. Today I'll be demonstrating how to use Live View feature on AC Cloud with the key video monitoring tools designed to help you manage your fleet efficiently and proactively. To begin with, select the Live View tab. This opens the vehicle monitoring dashboard where you will see a complete list of vehicles and their registration numbers. You can filter vehicle based on their current status to focus on specific groups, for example, showing only vehicles that are online or offline. The colored status indicators provide a glance information about each vehicle. The map displays each vehicle's precise current location. On the left-hand panel, you will find detailed information including vehicle speed, travel direction, last track time, and current location. You can also view any active vehicle alarms such as fatigue alerts, video loss, panic button activations, or ADAS and DMS warnings. By clicking on the three dots next to the device information, it should give you multiple options such as real-time video, spot tracking, video playback, and many more. Today we will be discussing about real-time video. As you can see on the screen, currently the vehicle is moving and all the cameras are active. This vehicle have 5 cameras which is covering 360 view of the vehicle. You can select multiple options such as channel switching, quantity display, video mode, frame rate, and many more. If you have any doubts, you can always learn more by clicking on the Help Center in the top right corner of your dashboard. As you can see, it gives you an in-depth start guide, including such as how to view cameras, playback, or else. If you have any further questions or if you would like to book a demo, please feel free to contact us.